Welcome to Activity 38. In this activity, we're going to be locating or finding numbers on the number line without counting as much as we can. We're going to try to find them by seeing. I've got my friend Lily here. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Now, Lily, I've got a stick of 10 here. If I've got no cubes on my number line, that says 0. But if I've got 10 cubes, the number 10 goes on top of the line. It doesn't go in the space either side. That would be wrong. Because it's a number line, the number at the end tells you how many there were. So I've got another 10 here, which we can match to see. Yeah, 2 10s. And I put them in different colours, for 5 for one hand and then the next 5. This number here in the middle is really easy to see because we made it taller, and we made that one taller because that's the number 15, and that's in the middle. Some of the numbers our brains can see without counting. We can see 1, 2, and 3 without counting. It's called subitizing. So I would know this is 11, 12, and 13. After I've worked those ones out, can you tell me, do you know the number that's one less than 15? Or if that's a bit tricky, you can go from 13, the one that's one more.
14.
Well done. And then the one that's after, I can go 15.
16.
Good. And the last one that's easy to see is before the 20 is
19.
Well done. Now these ones are really tricky. To see these, we probably have to count on from 15. So when I know that that's 15, one more cube I can see after is 16. If I have another cube after, 2 cubes after, on top of that line, because it's a number line, I'm going to write 17. And on top of the last line, I could write 18. And so that's how we're going to do our number line today, is try to think about them like that. To complete this activity, you need a spinner, one of each bond block from 1 to 10 in a jumbled pile, and we need 10 counters. Lily, you're the blue player, you need 5, and I'm the green player, I need 5. I'm going to get 5 so as I can see without counting. So I know that's 5. Could you make 5 in blue? Excellent. You know that's 5 without counting, and we don't need these ones, so I'll get rid of them. Now these are to keep track of our scoring, so we'll move them down, and then we'll just slide them down a little bit further so they're out of the way. Great. Now Lily, you're the blue player, so you go first. Flick the spinner. 18. Oh, that's a tricky one. Where do you think?
There.
I think it is very close to 20, 18. Let me check. Oh, well done. That was a tricky one, 18. I'll spin for my turn. 12. I think it's there. And Lily will check me. Excellent. Now, Lily, because we've been thinking about counting backwards, this time, whoever's got the smaller number or the least is the winner. So this time, I win. Now it's your turn. Play until someone has filled their 5 frame with 5 counters. That person will be the big winner. Or play until your teacher says stop, and whoever has placed the most number of counters is the big winner.